Welcome back to Money Academy. If you're looking to make extra money online in 2025 but don't have any experience, you've clicked on the right video. Today I'll be sharing 10 legit ways to earn from home that anyone can start right now. Let's dive in. 1. Online surveys. First up, online surveys. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and sites like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks pay you to share your opinion. It's easy, straightforward, and you can do it in your spare time. 2. Freelancing. Number 2. Freelancing. Whether you can write, design, or manage social media, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients. You can start with simple gigs to build your portfolio. 3. Affiliate marketing. Third, we have affiliate marketing. Promote products you love on social media or a blog, and earn a commission for every sale made through your links. Many companies offer free resources to help you get started. 4. Print on demand. Next is print on demand. Design custom graphics for t-shirts, mugs, or posters using sites like Redbubble or Teespring. They handle production and shipping while you earn a royalty on each sale. 5. Virtual assistant. Number 5. Become a virtual assistant. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs need help with tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer service. No special skills are required. 6. Online tutoring. Sixth on our list is online tutoring. If you excel in a subject, share your knowledge through platforms like tutor.com or Chegg. You can set your hours and work with students from around the world. 7. Content creation. Whether it's blogging, podcasting, or making videos, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or memberships. Start with what you love and grow your audience. Online course creation. Coming in at number 8. Consider creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. If you have knowledge in a specific area, package it into a course and earn passive income. 9. Stock photography. Ninth, if you enjoy photography, you can sell your photos as stock images on sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. All you need is a decent camera and a good eye. 10. Dropshipping. And finally, dropshipping. Start an online store without inventory using platforms like Shopify. You can sell products from suppliers who handle shipping directly to your customers. Perfect for beginners. There you have it. 10 legit ways to make money online in 2025 with no experience needed. Which of these will you try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.